everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to this week final exam preparation. So, as you all are aware, next week starts the opening of the final exam. The final exam will be open August the 12th and will be closed the end of class August the 16th. It has to be on lockdown browser. However, it is an online test. So it is online final exam on lockdown browser. I did a final exam review for you. The video is actually in this week's module, and there you'll find information about how the final exam works and also a lot of the questions regarding the final exam, so what to study and what to concentrate on. Overall, I think you're going to do well. It's not super complicated. Kind of is a broad overview of everything we reviewed this year, and I think you're going to do great. If you have any questions related to this week's module, just to study, please let me know. There's no homework, no discussion board, just study material for the final exam. I'm posting this on Saturday, August 6th. Tomorrow, August 7th, your homework is due. Be sure you submit that, and that'll be the last thing until the final exam, which will open on August 12th and close on August the 16th. Thanks so much.